Step into a realm where rhythm mixes with the earth's heartbeat, where pristine turquoise waters cradle the shores, and the thirst for adventure knows no limits. Join us in exploring the enchanting Harmony Beach, the picturesque Montego Bay, where skilled artisans craft wonders by hand right before your eyes, and where festivities kick off as you disembark from your cruise ship. Embark with me on a journey on a catamaran that sails us towards world-famous Dunn's River Falls. Glide along the Martha Brae River on a bamboo raft. Let this extraordinary adventure begin right now. Embarking on my adventure in Montego Bay, I find myself at the Shingle Hut Jerk Chicken cooking experience. Amidst the vibrant Caribbean ambiance that epitomizes Jamaica, a captivating journey awaits. Hi everybody, we've arrived at White Rock and we are actually at the Shingle Hut Jerk for one of the most popular tours offered on the island to cruise passengers. This is the Cookin' Jamaican Jerk Tour. They're going to teach me how to cook Jamaican jerk. Shingle Hut Jerk has gained fame among tourists, especially those arriving from cruise ships. Upon arrival, a warm welcome awaits, accompanied by a locally made rum punch that encapsulates the essence of the Caribbean. Now it's my turn to delve into mastering the preparation of one of my most cherished dishes, a constant indulgence during my visits to Jamaica. The dynamic and enthusiastic team at Shingle Hut Jerk Chicken fills the atmosphere with infectious energy. Balancing enjoyment and education, they skillfully lead me through the recipe, placing paramount importance on the infusion of indigenous spices. And now the christening. I'm going to actually take the chicken and put it on the chicken. And among the well-guarded secrets lies the inclusion of locally made red stripe beer, an authentic Jamaican delight. And now the moment of truth. The chicken is ready, and we're going to taste it to see if it's up to standards, because I know you've been doing this a long time, and
yes,
I just hope that it's going to be edible, but it looks really good.
It's edible.
It looks really, really good. Delicious. This tour is an unmissable gem, an immersion into the truest essence of Jamaica's spirited culture and people. I eagerly anticipate my return, eager to further refine my culinary prowess alongside my newfound friends at Shingle Hut Jerk Chicken. Just a stone's throw away from Montego Bay's cruise terminal lies Harmony Beach Park, promising an exciting adventure. We're here in Harmony Beach Park, which is a beautiful beach with refreshments and activities and water sports. And it's only about a 5 or 10 minute ride from the port of Montego Bay. The ships, you can see them in the distance. The Carnival ship is here. And one of the venues here is this great place for homemade ice cream. This is called Devon House Ice Cream. And we're gonna try a local flavor indigenous to Jamaica called Devon Stout. And don't miss a chance to visit Devon House, where you will encounter unique Jamaican flavors that are a true delight. Indulge in the finest local cuisine and beverages, immersing yourself in the authentic essence of Jamaica. The Montego Bay Cruise Terminal offers captivating entertainment for returning cruise guests, providing a genuine local cultural experience through its lively shows. Explore a diverse array of local products conveniently located next to your ship, ensuring you bring back cherished Jamaican souvenirs. The market exudes an incredible atmosphere that perfectly captivates the island's vibrant spirit. We're here at the Old Fort Craft Market at the Montego Bay Cruise Terminal, and we're here with Marilyn, who is in charge of this craft market. And what a vibe, what excitement. I've never seen so many people. People are dancing, you've got guys on stilts. Jamaica is very strong, and it's a great representation right here at the pier.
Yes, it is. It is a great representation here at the pier, and this is what we want you to come to Jamaica and see. What we do have for you, fun in the sun, and enjoy yourself in Jamaica.
Heartfelt gratitude goes to Jamaica Vacations for this unforgettable experience. Come and witness the magic firsthand. You will not be disappointed. Adjacent to Harmony Beach Park is the Old Fort Craft Market, built around Fort Montego in 1750, built by King Frederick. The fort was designed by European engineers and built by enslaved Jamaicans to guard the town of Montego Bay. On location, there are more than 156 shops, local Jamaican crafts, which relocated here in 1986. The fort has been preserved and is a heritage site by the Jamaican National Heritage Trust. Witness the astonishing transformation of the restored fort, reinvigorating tourism and fostering a thriving marketplace filled with diverse Jamaican crafts. Seeking a serene beach day? Well, look no further than Dr. Cave's Bathing Club, where crystal clear waters offer a soothing interlude for your busy day. A nominal fee grants access, and the value is unquestionable, especially with the exclusive membership perks. Welcome to Ocho Rios, where waterfalls and beaches are a way of life. My embarkation on the Cool Runnings catamaran marks the start of an exciting journey. We just boarded the catamaran. It's empty, obviously. We're here early, but in about 15-20 minutes, there's going to be over 100 guests on here. They're going to be partying, and there's going to be dancing, there's going to be reggae music. And what a great way to see the island from the vantage point of a catamaran. Our arrival at the world-famous Dunn's River Falls unveils a short walk to the renowned Cascades, a chance to form a human chain amidst the falls, an exhilarating experience. The onboard party ignites as we depart, a perfect opportunity to forge new friendships. Explore the heart of Ocho Rios, the Pineapple Craft Market, a haven for talented artisans showing unique Jamaican culture and traditions through handcrafted wood and pottery items.
I like doing this because this makes me feel free. I like to work with nature and wood, being free. So when I do this and I see people enjoying it, yeah man, this is what makes me happy. When you buy it and you enjoy the work that I am doing. So when you come to the Pineapple Place, this is where you're going to get authentic Jamaican work.
The market's allure lies in its one-of-a-kind treasures. And now our journey takes us to the world-famous Dunn's River Fall Park, where the majestic Belmont Penn Estate beckons, surrounded by a rich variety of trees, including mangoes and coconuts. We are here at Belmont Penn Estate, the home of the world-famous Dunn's River Falls. The tour, Take a Hike with Bite and Shopping, begins right here. You know, the name Belmont Penn was due to the fact that the owner, John Davies, was a horse breeder. The property has other waterfalls apart from Dunn's River, such as Forgotten Falls, that many other people don't even know about. We hiked for about a mile, then suddenly we started to hear the rush of water. I didn't know what it was, because I know Dunn's River Fall, but as we continued on, it got louder and louder and louder, and finally we arrived here. Look at this waterfall. This is Forgotten Falls. This is a fall that people generally don't see or don't even know about. It's part of Dunn's River, Forgotten Falls, really authentic, and we're all alone. It doesn't get any better. Look at this, wow. This awe-inspiring tour is a resounding recommendation. Welcome to the enchanting Green Grotto, where nature-sculpted caves harmonize with delightful Jamaican fare at Island Forks. These caves offer a unique venue for special events, further enhancing the experience. As my Jamaican adventure draws to a close, I find myself at the Port of Falmouth, steeping in preserved architecture and historical charm. The port's manager's insights reveal the city's significance and its role in showcasing Jamaica's wonders. Just a short drive from Falmouth takes us to Chukka at Good Hope, offering thrilling adventures amid Jamaica's natural beauty, topped off with their warm hospitality and a delightful rum punch. Good Hope offers boundless experiences for cruise guests, including bamboo rafting on the Martha Brae River amid the refreshing rain. This Jamaican odyssey, marked by stunning beaches, soaring mountains, rhythmic reggae, and delectable flavors, owes its magic to the people of Jamaica. Please share your cherished moments in the comments below. And until next time, I'm Bill Panoff, and happy travels.